We interrupt this program to bring you this important announcement. This is an emergency missing child alert, Levi's call, Georgia's Amber Alert. The Clayton County Police Department and the Georgia Bureau of Investigation are looking for a gray 2006 Mitsubishi Eclipse with tag number BLU 4315. On April 4th, 2021, Josiah Matthews, a 8-year-old black male, was abducted by DWAYNE Flemings, a 57-year-old black male, 5'11", weighing 190 pounds, and was last seen at 2042 Mount Zion Road, MORROW, and is believed to be in extreme danger. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Josiah Matthews and the gray 2006 Mitsubishi Eclipse with tag number BLU 4315, please dial 911. The public can also provide information to the GBI tip line at 1-800-597-TIP and or the SEESEND app for iPhone and Android users.